Hello everyone, especially Miss Agnes. So, in this time, I would like to present about my own career plan. Let us start to the first page. So, I would like to introduce myself. So, hello, my name is Stefanus Lintang. I'm highly motivated final year diploma 3 in industrial management as a student. I has practical experience in measuring finished good using tools, observing, making reports using Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint, and contribute as a salesperson in marketing division. My skills extend to public speaking, interpersonal communication, problem solving, leadership, and teamwork. I'm also fluent in Indonesian and intermediate in English. I have strong interest in quality control, marketing, and human resource. Ah, there is the big point. So, my mission after graduate, there is the option, okay, if I'm work and if I'm continue to study. Okay, let us start about work. If I'm work, So if I'm work, I like to work in part of quality control. Now there is an example about a place or company that I like to working in. Ah, there is Mitsubishi Motor. So in this, the job is about the quality control of body instrument. Okay, the requirement is in here about the formal education background, bachelor's or diploma degrees in industrial engineering or mechanical engineering or a related department of engineering. Now, the second point is about the experience. Now, working experience is must in 1 or 2 years of experience in the relevant field. But there is in my campus, we will we study a lot about the quality control. So myself study about quality control in the section of quality control. So I'm using tools like caliper, dial caliper, vernier caliper, and there is manual tools and automatic tools that can be used for measuring. Okay, so in the next is about I will study if time. So I will continue my education when I have a job and can pay for it myself or do it both together. Now there is I have the option that I'm thinking over and over again. So the first one is I will take major in communication. Now why it should be communication? So in my major right now is industrial management, right? So in industrial management, we study a lot about public speaking. But in the first time I'm in my campus, my public speaking is not that good. But while I'm studying in my campus too, it's get improved day by day because we have studying and practical about the presentation. So there is, I I want to make my public speaking or communication skills is better and can be best of the best, thing like that. So I will like to take my major if I'm study again in communication. So next to the in the second point is about somewhere out of country. So I would like to studying in other country because I see there is more chance for become succeed and can we can meet in others people from other country too. The third point is do it while having a part time. Now, do it while having part time it so I can study and I'm so can pay for it myself. So I'm not making my parents thinking about the payment. Okay. The next slide, I would like to talking about my strength. So my strengths consist of my personality and abilities while I was studying at campus. I have good leadership and teamwork skills in coordinating and collaborating with teams to achieve target. So I can be a leader about in a team that can make the action we take is can be nice, something like that. So I'm also accustomed to implementing effective problem solving, supported by clear and confident public speaking skills. In addition, I am adaptable to a dynamic work environment and proficient in operating Microsoft Office to support my work professionally. So the next slide is about STAR method. So in STAR method, I would like to tell you about a time when I have to face a challenge, something like that. So the first one is about situation. During the final exam presentation for Father Chris' assignment, I felt nervous and afraid to speak in front of many people. The task is I must be able to convey my material clearly and achieve maximum marks while fighting my fears. And what action that I take is I finally got the courage to deliver the material and answer the questions raised by the audience. There is the result is the Father Chris seemed satisfied with my appearance and the statements I made when answering the question. So the next slide is about my weakness. Now, I'm the type of person who can easily feel nervous and panic in certain situations. However, I am continuously learning how to manage and control this feeling. Through self-awareness, practice, and experience, I work on staying calm, focused, and confident so I can perform better under pressure. So in this point, I can perform better is like the previous slide is about the myself being nervous and afraid to speak in front of many people. But I can face it by doing practice day by day, something like that. Ah, next, what I will achieve in the next 5 years. Nah, in the first years, I would like to finish my studies and start my first job to gain real working experience and understand the professional work environment. Continue working full time, improve my skills, and save money so I can support my education independently. I will continue my education while working as I already have a job and can pay for it myself for manage both together. Ah, there is about in the first year, second years, and 3 year. Ah, in the fourth year is about I will take a major in communication, preferably somewhere outside the country, to improve my communication, leadership, and global perspective. In the last 5 years, I will doing continuous studying while having a part-time job, balancing education and work experience to prepare myself for higher responsibilities and future leadership roles. So let's hop to the next point. Is about how do I prepare for it? Now, the first one, I will make myself have a good and strong academic. So I would like to practice and learning, studying day by day and work hard. Now, the second the second point is about networking with the master. So if I am if I want to achieve about what I want in the next 5 years is networking, of course, with the master of the communication division. Ah, the third point is gather any information about this job. So, what's the mean about the information of the job? Ah, before we want to take some take something that we like, we must knowing about the information about it. Okay, so it would make us easier to achieve something. Now, the last point is about learning about practical skill. Of course, not not just theoretical, but we must to learning about practical skill. Nah, in the in in the in at the time we work, we must knowing about how do I measure this or measure the finish good, something like that. That's all. That's all for today. And thanks for your attention. Nah, I have two social media too. So if you want to contact me, you can direct message on me. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you so much.